Welcome to Buy the Best Thing channel. Hey everyone. In this video, we're going to take a look at the top 5 best car accessories currently on the market. We get started with our video. We have included a link in the description box for each product mentioned. So make sure you check out to see which is your budget range. Number 1, heavy checkmark. Keep your vehicle neat. Our car organizers and storage can accommodate tissues, wrappers, napkin, bottles, and even unfinished drinking. HOTOR Vehicle Trash Can with lid can help you away from trash and odors. Heavy checkmark. Collapsible shape and adjustable strap. You can place our car trash can on the floor, car seat, or hang it for the seat back with the drawstring cord. With adjustable strap, this auto trash container can be placed anywhere. Heavy checkmark. Durable leak-proof inner lining. This garbage can for car adopt waterproof and leak-proof material, easy to clean and wash. No more worry about food spills or other stubborn stain. Heavy checkmark. Multipurpose. This car garbage bin can be used as storage bags to keep other items, such as cups, toys, and other accessories. Heavy checkmark. Best service. Our trash bags for cars stand a full refund or a replacement and superb customer service. Number 2, keep your car clean. Are you always bothered by the messy of the car interior? Vankor's car trash can with lid will help you to solve this annoyance. This cute car trash can will be helpful for keeping your car clutter-free, ensuring you are in a good mood while driving. Large car trash can with an adjustable strap is hung on the gear shift, glove box, headrest. You can also display the hanging car trash bag on the floor, hanging on the back seat, co-driver seat, or any place in your car. Multipurpose storage. Vankor car garbage can is functional. You can put the car garbage into the main bag. There are 3 outer pouch pockets of garbage can for car that will be great to help storage. You can put tissue packs, wipes, snacks, umbrellas, and other little things that you need to keep in your car to avoid mess. Number 3, the product is equipped with a flexible buckle, which can make full use of the sun visor for easy removal and installation. Our sunglasses holder is perfectly designed to fit all cars, SUVs, and trucks' visors. Fits all glasses and sunglasses, even thicker ones. High-quality materials. The car's sunglasses management box is made of high-quality leather material, with a smooth surface, and the inner velvet material is resistant to high temperature and impact to avoid scratches. Our sunglasses case installs easily. Just clip the case over your sun visor. Elastic fixing clip. Even if it is used for a long time, it still has strong elasticity and is stable and does not fall. Great design not to block your view from driving. Number 4, perfect car cleaning putty gel. Car cleaning gel putty reusable is perfect for cleaning the nooks and crannies in your auto. Car putty for cleaning is super great to get into the vents and little crevices on the car air vents, steering wheels, console panel, storage bins, cup holder, door handles, dashboards to pick up the dirt. Easy to use. Just press the car detailing gel slightly on the dust surface and pull out the car goop cleaner slowly. The dirt would gone. Push car detailing tools into any little cracks and the crud sticks and pulls back out. You can also press the detail putty on the keyboard surface and then pull out the car gel cleaner slowly. The dust would be carried away with the keyboard cleaner putty. Reusable gel for cleaning car could be used for several times till the color of the auto detail gel turned to dark. Number 5, fitment. This Highlander accessories fit for Toyota Highlander 2020, 2021, 2022 bench seat. Full protection. Like miniature rubber floor mats, custom fit liners will cover all the pockets of your car interior, including cup no 5 holders, door pockets, and center console. They provide protection from crumbs, minor spills, melted candy, scratches, and rattling coins. To clean, simply rinse the liners in the sink.
If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and like our video.